Hey everyone, I thought I'd take you on a quick tour of the new Epic Universe store here at Universal Studios Hollywood. If you look around, we are over by Toothsome Chocolate Factory right here, out on City Walk. If you come around past Voodoo Donut, you'll see the store, and I'll take you inside here. I'll take you on a tour of most of it with some prices of some of the exclusive merchandise here, so you can kind of see different things. I'll go to the back here and start with the Isle of Berk merchandise. They actually have these really cool pins. Those are 11 bucks. Little Isle of Berk. Now what's interesting is the logos are all on the top there, so you can see the Isle of Berk logos from the new land coming. This guy's $11. That's pretty cheap for a little bag tag like that. These are ornaments that are $20. Wow. But those are branded pretty nicely. Another pin right here for $11. Another pin looks really much the same for $11. Let me show you that one up a little closer. Sorry about that. And then this little dragon pin for $10. Magnet set for $14 with the logos of the Berk inhabitants. And then a keychain that is $15. That's actually pretty pricey. For 11 bucks, this bag tag is actually a pretty good steal. They also have lanyard pouches here. These lanyard pouches are 12 bucks, and the lanyards themselves look like they don't have prices on them, but I'll kind of give you an idea of what they look like. Yeah, I don't see a price on those, unfortunately. The shirt right here, the tank top is $30 with the Isle of Berk logo. Let's see, nothing on the back. And this is just a generic set of merchandise from How to Train Your Dragon. I think you can just buy this stuff anywhere. The cool thing though, $24 for the toothless headband. Pillow, Isle of Berk, also for $25, big squishy thing. The shirt right there is $37, and the one that I think is going to be a winner for a lot of people are the Light Fury hats. I think that was their name, if I remember correctly. These guys are $25. One size fits no one. And then let's see. These mugs are $27. They're actually a little pricey. Both of those styles. Let's see. These plushies as well are $22, but I think again you can kind of get those anywhere. Now this is all the Super Nintendo merchandise that they have from the upcoming Super Nintendo Land. You can look at my other video for the prices info on that. I do a walkthrough that I'll link to at the end of this video. So if we spin around here, a few more How to Train Your Dragon things, and I'll take you to some of the other lands. $15 for those guys. The hats are $27, not too shabby. And then here are some pretty cool shirts. Both of those have the new logos of the land. This one is $25 and this one $30. Let me double check. Those are youth shirts. Or this is a youth shirt, the orange one, sorry. I think this is, it's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, this is an adult size of small. So those are exclusive clearly to the land. We've got Niffler backpacks, which are pretty awesome. But again, those lounge flies you can sort of pick up anywhere, I think. Let's see. Yeah, those are just, these guys are everywhere, so it's not that big a deal. Now I'm going to take you over to some of the Ministry of Magic stuff from Wizarding World, which is probably what a lot of you guys want to see. Now these hoodies, I'm trying to find a price and failing miserably. These are $60, but if you take a look at the back here, I'll flip it around for you. It has the Ministry of Magic logo on them. Those are pretty comfy too. They're a pretty soft material and sort of fleeced on the inside. These mugs are $17, and the tank top up there is $37. That's actually pretty pricey, but you gotta pay your Harry Potter tax. $29 for these hats right here. These little baby crawling nifflers, again, I think these are available all over the place, and it doesn't have a price anyways. And these little nifflers are also just available in the park already for $18. They're super soft. Here's a Ministry of Magic bottle for $29, water bottle. And there's a general Epic Universe logo, like kind of, not a hoodie, but a sweater, I'll say, for $55. Not too bad on those. Epic Universe hats for $29. And these tiny little shirts for youths are $25 each. We've got an Epic Universe tote. $4 for those if you want a cheap souvenir. Bottle holders for $16. And these shirts are $37. I think they're all $37. Wait a minute. $27. $37. Okay, that's interesting. That's $27. That one's $37. Go figure. I can't reach the backpacks, so I apologize for that. I'm not gonna tear it down. Let's see how much these shirts are. These guys, you're looking at $37, and these kind of shiny, smooth, really comfy hoodies. They're pretty cool. I think those are youth sizes, though. Let's see. Oh, that's a youth size for $50. And let's double check. Nothing on the back, but the inside does have a really cool kind of stars pattern. These mugs, $25. I'm trying to think if I didn't see. These are $75 for very 90s fade style with the logo on the back. So then I'll flip around here. This is all standard Fantastic Beasts merch that you've seen before, plushes, etc. So that's nothing all too unique to here. Now let's get to the Dark Universe. Oh, here's the backpacks over here. So let me actually just check the prices for you guys. These are $55. The mugs are not listed, so I don't know the price on those. Universal doing its job. So these glow in the dark, these youth shirts, are pretty slick for $25. $28 for the hats. Come over here, there's another one. This one doesn't seem to glow, but with the Dark Universe logo, these are $33, and those are adult sizes. This hat, let's see how much this guy is. $30 for the bucket hats. These Dark Universe shirts are $30. Nothing on the back. And let's see, here comes a lot of little logo items. $25 with the Dark Universe guy on them with Frankenstein. Dark Universe hoodie that glows in the dark for $65. And then you've seen these before in the park already, so I won't bother you with those here. $28 for a wallet. These pins look like they glow in the dark. Can't fully tell. $25 for those. Patch for $15 if you want to get creative and put one of those on your denim shirt. $10 for these lanyard pouches. And again, the lanyards themselves not marked. I'll show you what those look like. They have license plates with the Dark Universe logo. These are $22 and actually really thick. They're not like license plate material. They're almost like a thick wood material. There's a Dark Universe. Now these are more what you're thinking about with like a license plate for $24. You can see the Dark Universe logo on those. They're these little sling bags with the Dark Universe logo for $40. And I can't really pull any of these apart, but there's obviously a Dark Universe throw. And it glows in the dark according to the tag. These are $60. Not cheap, but still pretty cool. There's some shot glasses over here. $10 for those. And then there's a whole little batch of Harry Potter and other Dark Universe stuff here. I'll just take you through these real quickly. This is a magnet for $15. Did I get that right? $15. Sorry. Those are $15. These little pins are $16. Those are Harry Potter Ministry of Magic ones. Keychains for $15. That one's $15 also for the ornament. It's the same one there. The lanyards, like I said, there's no prices on any of the lanyards. Unfortunately, we already showed you those. So those are all the same that we had seen before. They do not have Dark Universe Coca-Cola, although it does light up when you stand there, and your teenage daughter is too cool to be a participant in the proceedings. And then $26 for these little logo wallet-y things. Actually, there's a few more things over here I'll show you. $15 for what I think is a patch, stick-on patch. Every Universe logo pin. Now that's pretty cool. Those are $16. Luggage bag tags for $15. And keychain, I'm gonna guess 15, let's see. 15, I was right. So there you go. And that pretty much, oh wait, there's a few more little things down here. There's a fanny pack, belt bag if you want to not be from the 80s. Those are $35. And these Epic Universe frames, if you want to take a picture of the old way and put it up somewhere. Let me check the price on those. $27, and they're sort of just like a plywood. They're okay. They're not the nicest thing I've ever seen. Of course, they have a few other things I didn't take you through, just like wands, which you can kind of get anywhere. Those aren't exclusive. You've got some of the bow truckle guys here, the bendies, you can get those anywhere. But here's a general overview of the entire area. Yeah, she's still annoying. Some posters, and a lot of that stuff you can just sort of get anywhere. And there you go. So there's your full tour with prices of all the merchandise at the Epic Universe store at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Thank you.